Hello, I hope you are doing good and thank you so much for tuning in at Janil Hair Collection. Today we are going to learn how to make the 5-strand bandika, and I'm using the short braid. I have this type of moisturizer to moisturize the braid so that it will be easy for me to section. And for now, I'm going to start sectioning the hair that way, that size. And I have the next seat close to me. I have my braids lined up like that, the way you're seeing, so that it will be close to me. And I'm going to start now making the 5-strand bandika. So there we go. One side is bigger than the other. I'll have one side. I'll have one side going behind the string that way, and you need to let your hands work together and let them be tightly close together. So there we go. I have my middle finger receiving the hair in the middle, and after that is when I'll have to start feeding in the braid. So from the right side, I have to divide the hair into two that way, and then I'll take my first strand, put it under my thumb. There we go. Put it under my thumb, and then the strand that is on top, I'll have to join it with the one that I've feed in and twist the hair inwards. Yeah, you have to twist your hair inwards because that's what make the 5-strand bandika unique, and let me say special. And again, on the other side, on the left side again, I'll have to do the same thing, divide the hair into two. So that's the one that we feed in. It will always be there. So from the main strand that we begin with, so divide it into two, and then I'll have the upper part joining with the one that we we feed in, twist the hair inwards that way. I hope you're getting me. And then I'm going to do the same thing, and that is how you get your 5 strands. So I have 2 on the right, I have 2 on the left, the way you're seeing, and then we have 1 in the middle. Yeah, we have 1 in the middle. And again, I'm going to take the next strand and feed in, put it under my thumb. You can see how tightly it is so that it won't show on top where I'm feeding, and I'll do the same thing. Twist your hair inwards. Yeah, there we go. Go on the next side like that. I'll take the upper part, join it with the one that we feed in, twist the hair inwards, and there we go. So I'll keep on doing the same thing over and over again, feeding the hair, and not forgetting to twist your hair inwards, because that's what make the 5-strand bandika special and unique. Yeah, and again, if you're coming across Janil Hair Collection for the first time, welcome here. We do more of artificial locks, we do more of hair that is bandika braids, we do Ghana braiding or Ghana lines. Yeah, and if you'd love to be part of my journey here on YouTube, it's very, very simple. Just go ahead and click the subscribing button. It's below the video, and not forgetting to turn on your notification bell on so that you'll be notified anytime, any day that I do upload a video. So I'm continuing with the same thing. Twist the hair inwards. You can see our 5-strand have start. You can see how my stitches are well seen. You can see my pattern. So this is kind of confusing, but if you keep your braids moisturized, it won't, like, the braids will just divide itself the way you're seeing. It won't confuse you at all. So I'm going to take the next braid. I'll put it under my thumb that way, and then not forgetting to twist your hair inwards. Take your time, twist your hair inwards. There you go. And then go on the other side, and the one that you feed in, it will always be there, odd one out. So don't get confused when you're doing this. It will always be there for you, so that you will pick it and join it with the the braid that you're going to twist inwards. So there we go again. This is so easy and simple if you keep on trying. Yeah, for the first time it will be a kinda it will be confusing. You will find yourself confusing, but if you keep on trying, nothing is hard. So I'm going to continue doing the same thing, and towards the end of this video we are going to install this and see how it will come out. So keep on watching this video up to the end. Don't skip anything. I hope you are learning something. I hope you're finding this helpful, and if yes, as always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment and share it with a friend. So I'm going to let you continue watching this up to where I'll be ending up where I'll be ending up this braid, so that I'll show you what you will do when you get to the bottom.
It's a bad man thing, yeah. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, His body baby, oh. Hey, His body baby, oh. Bulaka, it's a bad man thing. See, I'm a, hey, it's a bad man thing, yeah. Bulaka, yeah. See, see, I'm a jari leto. I'm a jawale. Say we get to bed, so no delay. See, by the end of the night she be wanting more. By the end of the day they be wanting more. Busting out the place and they wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. I'm a jari little, I'm a jawale. Say we get to bed, so no delay. By the end of the day she be wanting more. By the end of the night they be wanting more. Busting out the place, them I wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. In all the place, see the girl them know. See the girl them know. In all the house, see the man them know. See the man them know. Baby make me feel alright, make me feel my fantasy. Cause you turn me on, now you taking me all night long. Bad man, bossing all the place, them I wanting more. Them I wanting more. See, bossing all the place, then they feel me, yo. Then they feel me, yo. See them girls just want to party. See them boys, them just want to party. In a me yard, them a throw the party. In a me place, them a throw the party. Say, who like a bad man, me a bossing all the place. Who like a bad man, other girls, them a crazy. She a whine it for me, she a grind it for me. She a pull up in a place and whine it for me. I wanting more. When I pull up in a place, they be wanting more. I wanting more. When I pull up in a scene, they be wanting more. In all the place, see the girl them know. See the girl them know. In all the house, see the man them know. See the man them know. Baby make me feel alright, make me feel my fantasy. Cause you turn me on, now you taking me all night long. Bad man, oh Lord of His mercy. VQs, make them know. Bad man.
Thank you so much for staying with me up to this point. Thank you so much for taking your time to learn this with me. So you can see how the 5-strand bandika is looking, and from what you are seeing, we are almost done. So I want to show you what really happens when you come to the finishing part. So I still have my 5-strand from what you're seeing, and it's thinner now, and I can't continue doing the same thing. So I'll have to join them into 3 the way you're seeing, and that's how I finish doing my 5-strand bandika. So I begin with 5, and then when I reach at the very bottom part where I can't continue, I'll have to join them and finish in 3 strands. So for now I have to remove all the tissue ends using the scissor, or you can dip your bandika braids in some in warm water. Yeah, you can dip it in warm water to remove the tissue ends, and we are done. It was as simple as that, and you can see how nice it looks. Yeah, you can use this hair as much time as you want. Yeah, and from what you're seeing now, we are going to do the installation. Yeah, we're going to do the installation, and it's very, very beautiful. There we go. This is so beautiful, and I hope you'd love to try this. And thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.
Oh, baby, make you feel.